So I'm sitting next to my window because maybe that's as close as some of you can get to nature. Yeah? I heard a bird. Did you hear a bird? Yeah. I'm going to go sit outside, but if this is as close as you can get, take it. It's fine. You can still hear birds. Yeah. Ask your adult. Can we open the window a little so I can look outside? So I can listen? Ask. Okay? I'm going to go outside. I'll be right back. Hi. I came outside. I chose not to sit in my yard, again, because some of you don't have a yard. But right across the street, there's a lot of concrete. But look, do you see what's growing? Some plants, and even a yellow flower. And you can listen. I hear birds. Yeah. So see, even if you don't have a yard, look, you can find plants growing in the cracks, and you can look closely. Maybe you'll see a bug, a ladybug. That would be so cool. An ant. Maybe you'll see an ant. Yeah. Oh, and you know what? Icy? These have, do you see that? Those are the little seeds that grow this plant. It's a type of weed. And you know what these do? When they get old, they turn brown and they stick to you. They could stick to your socks if you're walking in socks. Or if you have a dog, sometimes they'll stick to a dog. Yeah, they stick to their fur. You want to know why? That's the plant's way of spreading its seeds. It goes somewhere else, and then it drops it. So now more of those plants will grow over there. Yeah. Okay, so let's see. I have my timer, okay? Let's see, I wonder where I can set it. Can I set it here? No. I'll just hold it. Yeah, we can watch it. Now we'll just take a minute. You want to know what I noticed? There's a little breeze. That's a part of nature, the wind. I could feel it. It was blowing against my face. It was making the leaves and the flowers. You kind of see that when it's moving. Do you see it? I heard some birds. Yeah. There's also a lot of cars and sirens. Yeah, but that's okay. Because we're all joined together, we're all connected. Nature is still here while all that other stuff is going on. This beautiful nature is here. It's gonna make me cry because I love it so much. Okay, connect to nature. Okay, connect wherever you can. It's okay. All right, I love you.